Good day, everyone. I'm Abubakar Zubair, popularly known as Al-ibiewī, and today I will be going through how to use AI or ChatGPT specifically to enhance our studies as students. I'm a student in Bayero University, Electrical Engineering level 500, final year, and I personally have been using ChatGPT to enhance my studies, to break down complex topics, for explanations, and also to carry out research. And it has been really useful. It is so painful that a lot of students do not know how to use these tools, or some wrongly use it. For example, they just go to ChatGPT, solve this assignment for me, and it's done. They just copy it. But rather, a better way to use it will be viewed and will be seen. For example, if I was given, maybe today, a course was taught to us by the lecturer, and I want to tell ChatGPT to guide me. I can say, hi ChatGPT, or that's not necessary. I can say, or I can even use the voice input, which is this here. So this option, I can use it to speak to ChatGPT, then it transcribes it to text, and then I can cross-check before sending. And this last one, the rewrite here, I can use it to speak and converse with ChatGPT. So I can say, hi ChatGPT, this is what I've been taught in school, and it replies to me in audio with voice, real voice. And this plus button here, I can use it to import different things. For example, if I took a shot from the lecturer, maybe there was a specific formula he has derived, because all these things have been documented in the internet. They are gotten from textbooks, and all these textbooks are valuable. So ChatGPT has all these things in its resources. What you just have to do is to give it the correct prompt. It is very good that we use these tools for our own benefit, to make us smarter, not dumb. Because when we use this ChatGPT to become dumb, it only kills our memory. Just to ChatGPT solve this assignment for us and copy it down. No. So I can take a shot of that specific question and tell ChatGPT, this is the question that has been given to us. Explain the topic first, and then guide me through on how to solve this question. I can also say, give me similar examples or exercises. When you solve, you also tell ChatGPT, this is what I have done, grade me. You can see, then you can see how you use these tools to enhance yourself rather than using it to kill your skill as a student. So for example, I can go to files. If maybe I was given a slide as an engineer, for example, or an engineering student, I can go to ChatGPT and say, okay, which slide can I use? Okay, I think I took a screenshot of one of the slides. So I can say here, ChatGPT, this is a slide from computer engineering, from a lecture. Guide me step by step with simple and explanatory examples on how to on what was explained, but I can't even recall what was in the slide, explained in this slide. So you can see it gives out everything that has been explained there. It starts to explain, and you can see, I can say, okay, ChatGPT, I didn't understand this specific point. Can you buttress on it more? Can you give me more information about that point? It gives you examples. You read everything. Is there any point you didn't understand? Just say, ChatGPT, I didn't understand this. And be careful also, there can be some errors. Yes, it is not perfect, especially when you're using the premium version. And there are ways to also there's a lot to learn about this AI, but this just a basic on how to use it as a student. And if you like videos like this, you can comment just in the comment section, tell us, so we can do something more comprehensive from from scratch, how to enhance AI and give it more better prompts. So you can continue. So you see, would you like me to help you with practice exercises? I can say, okay, give me practice exercises, writing multiplication algorithm in pseudocode or Python. So you can see it is giving you options on how to go on. But if you just come and say, solve this for me, no context, you just copy to your note, this does not enhance you. So as a student, there are a lot of ways you can use this AI. You use it for your own good to break down complex topics so that you can understand it. You can understand. It saves you a lot of time. It saves you also the stress to go to YouTube. Also, I can also say ChatGPT is there. So I can say, give me, if you are a video person, you don't like reading text, give me a video that's from YouTube, a YouTube video that best explains this, topic. Make sure that it has been tested to the commenters, sorry, commentator. So that was a mistake. Anyways, so it's a search. It's just like a search engine now. A refined search engine, like Google. Google gives you, although Google now has Google AI, but I rely on ChatGPT more than Gemini. So you can see now it gives me a video. So instead of me going to YouTube and trying to search on how to use, I can simply do this with ChatGPT and boom. I'll just click on this and it takes me to YouTube to learn on how to do this. You can see it's simple. It's simple, that's it. So that's all for today. If you like videos like this and you want me to do something better, step by step on how to use ChatGPT or these LLMs, AIs, you can kindly comment below and we'll get back to you. Thank you for today.